Alright guys, how's it going? Moto trekking here again. I had a weird looking day. I think it's meant to be nice today, but no, the fucking clouds and the odd little bit of rain on my visor doesn't give me confidence. I'm also not waterproof in the fucking slightest. I have shoes on, like runners. But I'm heading towards where the sky's kind of blue over there, so let's fucking hope. So yeah guys, maybe you can see something different. I don't know what it is. Maybe I got a haircut, maybe I lost a bit of weight, maybe I put on a bit of weight. Just hoping everything seems okay, but I'm now using a Hero 7 Black, chin mounted as well, which looks beautiful. I think I have the angle fairly good. I can put it in the window mirror. Yeah, I have the Hero 7 Black now, just for a change. I already hate the battery life. I already really fucking hate it. But what the fuck can you do with that? I don't have a GoPro adapter, so I just have a mic actually wired up through my helmet and into my phone, because I'm gonna get an external audio, or RPHA. Jesus, I'm gonna get an external audio recorder instead of a. Oh, change gear there. Good job. I'll get one instead of the mic adapter and the mic, because the mic adapter isn't actually waterproof, so it's kind of fucking no good to me. But at least with my phone, you know, that's perfectly fine in my jacket, because if it's ever raining I'll have a Goretex jacket on and I won't have any issue with getting water in there. It just makes a bit more sense to have a audio adapter, because it's only like, I think it's like €30 more for an audio adapter, but I'll be able to use it for a lot more different, like a lot of different things apart from just the GoPro. Oh, so that's why it makes a bit more sense to me. I might pick up an audio adapter in the future, but I think for now I'll just stick with the audio recorder. My whole back tire slipped there. Did not like that. And I'm hoping the sound and the picture's okay. From the few little tests I've done, the audio is actually very nice. The lapel mic I have it's quite a good one actually. I forget where I got it. I think I got it in an actual like music store. But it's pretty good mic, to be honest. I love the views coming up here. Like right up to the top, like look at that. Oh, look at that shitty fucking rain coming in. Oh my god. Let's see if I can fucking avoid that. If I get soaked going into work, I'm going to be so annoyed. Especially because it wasn't meant to rain today. That'd be the fucking worst part of it. These part of roads here are shit. They're all full of gravel and they're all tight and tiny like this. So they're not fun in the slightest. You're in the corner, you can feel your back slipping. But yeah, fuck me, we've actually hit 1,000 subscribers, and that's fucking amazing. Like, can't believe we actually hit it. Oh, that's a bump. And I'm so happy and I'm grateful for everyone that subscribed. Thank you so much. It was a milestone I wanted to hit last year, but just didn't. So I knew I would have hit. I knew I'd hit it this year, so I'm delighted that I hit it midway through the year. So you know, I have no real goal for the end of this year. I've hit my goal, so I'm really happy. So thank you everyone who subscribed, old and new. Really do appreciate it, because I do this channel for fun, and when I have little milestones like that and I hit it, it just makes it so much more fun. I was going to say funner, but I don't think that's actually a word. Oh. But it makes it just so enjoyable that I can see that number. So in terms of the giveaway, the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to try to do a live video. So I'll have to organize a live video, because then there can be like no kind of cheating. People can't say I'm, you know, dicking about or doing anything dodgy. So I'm going to aim to do one on Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so I think Saturday would be a good day that like everyone's off, and you know, I could do it at like the afternoon where most people would probably be done doing the stuff that they're doing with their family. That sentence kind of made no sense. But if I do it mid-afternoon, maybe around lunchtime or something, well, everyone's going to be up. Most people will probably be home, or they'll be able to use their phone. I don't know, I could be wrong, but look at them views. Look at that rain coming in, fuck me. I think I'm going to beat it, but just about. But yeah guys, thank you so much. I'm fucking so happy. So yeah, I'm just going to work out the stuff with the giveaway first, and then I'll do a video. As I said, I'm going to try do a live video. I just need to sort out kind of how I'm going to do it, and etc, etc. So I don't know, but it's going to happen very soon. I said when I kind of hit like, you know, 1,002, 1,003 subscribers, I'll do it. So I'm on 1,003 the last time I checked, so I'll definitely be doing it very soon. Ugh, the dust. Please don't be going my way, please don't be going my way. Thank you. I'm delighted now that I'm at 1,000 subscribers and I'm upping the quality and all, so it seems very right. I'll do the 1,000 subscribers just. I'm not going to retire the drift completely. I'm just going to use it as like a backup camera. I haven't really decided on what yet, because then it's just another thing to keep fucking charged. It doesn't use the same chargers and all that shit. So, fuck that. I'm curious to see what this Hyper Smooth's actually like, because in Mondello it was fucking amazing. It was so smooth. I'm curious to see what it's going to be like now on like a back road like this, where it's really bumpy. Yeah guys, that's all I wanted to say. Give you guys a quick update and say a big thanks for the 1,000 subscribers. Again, I'm so happy we actually hit it. So I'm going to sort out the giveaway very soon. And for those who still haven't entered, there's still time to enter. I think I'm actually I'll close that link for it and just delete it completely so no one can enter kind of after the fact or dick about. But yeah, I think I'll cut it off on Friday maybe. So yeah guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed again. Thanks so much. Tell me what you think of the camera, the quality, the angle. Is it good? Is the audio good? Is everything good? People pleaser. But look guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe, and talk to you on the next video.